Good morning guys, and in front of me is OPPO Reno 15F, and let me show you how to activate Google Backup. So first of all, enroll the settings, then find and select System and Update, and here go to Backup and Reset. You've got it more or less in the middle of the screen. Now mark Google account as we want to activate Google Backup, and now if you already have your account added, just mark Turn On and pick what would you like to backup. So it can be photos and videos. You can mark just this option, or both, photos and videos along with other device data. Tap on confirm, and that's it. As you can see, backup is active now. So that would be all. And if you're not logged in with your account yet, you will have to provide it. So you will just have to enter your email address along with the password. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.